Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, south central Baltimore County in northern Maryland, east central Howard County in central Maryland, southeastern Baltimore City in northern Maryland until 6:45 p.m. At 6 o'clock p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Glen Burnie or over Baltimore Washington Airport, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured live objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Severn, Elkridge, Riviera Beach, Pinehurst, Tillery Bay, Gibson Island, Fort Smallwood State Park, Bodkin Point, Baltimore Washington Airport, Glen Burnie, Severna Park, Ortonton, Pasadena, Arnold, Lakeshore, Ferndale, Brooklyn Park, Fort Meade and Southgate. Get indoors to protect yourself from wind and lightning. Trees around you may be down from damaging winds, so if you are near large trees, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Don't drive underneath trees or in wooded areas until the threat is past. Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast for the northern Chesapeake Bay and adjoining estuaries.